In this video, I'm going to show you how to create mock-up images fast with no design skills needed. Now, you need good-looking graphics for anything that you sell online, for your sales letters, blogs, videos, Etsy, Amazon, books, and so much more. And I was always on the hunt for images that look just like this, where you can put them on spiral bound notebooks and bring your images and graphics to life. But there was one big problem. I did not know how to create these on my own whatsoever. I tried, it would take me forever. So I always had to hire someone and wait for them to get back to me with my images that I needed today. The good news is that I don't have to wait anymore, and neither do you. So you're not going to need any graphic designs to make beautiful images that are mock-up styles, like on computers, on notebooks, on box shots, just like this, on iPads, on cell phones. We need these images to sell, and we need them fast. So now every creator's dream has literally come true. I want to give you a demo of ClickDesign. This is the tool that I am recommending. See, I have this plain Jane notebook that I want to transform into something magical, and I'm going to be able to do that in less than 5 minutes. Let's go over and see how easy this is to do. Okay, so here I am over at my dashboard on ClickDesigns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to templates, because I want to make a new cover design, but I want to start from scratch here. And I want to choose a cover, enter a name, copy my workbook 2. Okay, so here I am, and I want to now choose the mock-up, and I want something that is spiral bound that looks like this. Now, this is really hard to create if you do not know how to design stuff, especially putting images on an angle. Trust me, I've tried, but let's do it the easy way with ClickDesigns. So here we are, and let's go ahead and create. And I just found a background from Pixabay. They do have images inside, but I also like to kind of find my own sometimes. These are free public domain images that I use all the time in my business. So now I'm going to do is go to image, and I've already uploaded it. So here it is. If I want to fit it on the screen, I'll just make that a little smaller. Okay, so that's going to be the background of my image here. So now what I want to do is I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to add a new text layer, and it's going to say copy my workbook. And then I'm going to center it, and then I'm going to make it a lot bigger. Okay. Now, if I want to go ahead and change the font, I could here. Okay, I kind of like how that looks, and I can even go a little bit bigger with this font. All right. And I'm just going to keep this pretty simple. So let's go ahead and preview it. That looks perfect. So all I want to do right now is save and exit. I can now export it as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF, or I can just go and exit this, and it'll be in my dashboard. And here it is. Yay! So now you can see how no more do you have to hire expensive designers, wait for days and days to get your graphics back, and going back and forth with your designer because they don't give you what you want. So you can create your own, just like an experienced graphic designer. You can use the templates. You don't need any skills. It's drag, drop, point, click. So get your copy today at debdrum.com/clickdesigns. Look out for more videos from me to help you with your graphic skills and making money with graphics. The link will be in the description. That's debdrum.com/clickdesigns. ClickDesigns, and I'll see you inside. And I can't wait to see your beautiful graphic creations. Thanks for watching.
Debbie's 5-minute product review.
Be sure to click the link in the description for more details on ClickDesigns.